So we finally got the Mavic Air in stock here at Geek Buying, and I was able to convince my bosses to let me use one. So let's take a look at it. And to be honest, I'm really excited and I can't wait to go out and play with it. So we're gonna do this unboxing really quickly. So we open the box. Mavic Air. Here you got propeller guards, instruction manual, and the propellers, extra propellers. Here we got the remote control. Anything else? Got the charger, charging cable, and some little pieces, I don't know what they are. All right, so let's go try it out. So I'm gonna skip all the preparation step, like registering the drone, updating the firmware, connecting my phone to the remote control, charging the battery, installing the propeller guards, because it's kind of boring to watch. And if ever you decide to get one of those, it's pretty much straightforward step by step. So I don't think you need to go through this with me. Let's just fly this thing. All right, let's fly this baby. I must say I'm a bit nervous. It's my first time flying this. All right, guys, just keep in mind, like I said before, it's my first time piloting a drone, so don't be surprised if it's a bit messy and not so smooth. And also, just to let you know, this is the footage straight out of the drone. There was no color correction or anything applied to the footage. Just to give you an idea of actually what you can get with this drone. I just pressed the go home button and it's doing the rest. Perfect for a noob like me. I must say that it's really exhilarating. It's really exciting to fly this. I bet my footage is gonna be horrible. It's up to you to judge. It's my first time flying a drone. I must say that 20-minute battery is not enough. I wish I could fly some more, but I'm only limited to one battery because that's the sample I have right now. So if ever you plan on getting one, I really suggest you to get like 2 or 3 batteries because 20 minutes is not enough. I wish I could take off and fly some more. It's really exciting. All right, so that was a lot of fun, but now it's time to get back to the office and check out that footage. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tech and gadget videos. And if you're already subscribed, feel free to click right here to watch another video. All right, catch you later.